When we talk about the future of artificial intelligence, it helps to admit something right up front. No one has all the answers. We are all trying to figure this out, and we do that best by thinking out loud and working together. So if you're curious about how this all works, pull up a chair. You are in the right place. Think of artificial intelligence as a massive piece of uncharted land. The rules guiding it, what we call AI policy, are simply the town charter we are drawing up to figure out how we're going to live there together. To navigate and thrive in a completely new territory, a community has to sit down and collaboratively draw a shared map. Policy is not like the weather. It doesn't just happen to you while you stand in the rain. It is a human-made set of rules, which means it is something you can actively influence. This illustrated map shows how rules break out. First, regulation creates the hard legal boundaries of our town, blocking off hazardous zones so we know what is illegal. Then standards show the safe, recommended routes for moving around inside those legal boundaries. Often people try to change these rules before taking the time to read them. They rush to influence policymakers without understanding the existing landscape of regulations and government bodies. Before you can speak up with authority, you need to know exactly which rules already apply to your specific corner of the map and what new proposals are already sitting on the desk. Deeply understanding the lines that are already drawn is the only way you earn the right to pick up a pen and help redraw them. Once you know the map, you can engage in policy advocacy. That is simply the formal term for making sure your voice is heard while the blueprints of our new town are being drafted. You can do this through standards development. Think of this as the town agreeing on exactly how deep to pour concrete foundations, so no one's new house collapses. You can join industry coalitions. This is like banding together with your neighbors to collectively demand a stop sign at a dangerous intersection. You can give testimony to policymakers. This means sharing your on-the-ground practical expertise, so government officials understand what the terrain actually looks like outside their windows. And you can practice thought leadership, writing and speaking publicly to help everyday citizens make sense of this rapidly changing landscape. Effective advocacy is never a solo bureaucratic maneuver. It is an ongoing, multifaceted campaign of collaborative community planning. Another powerful way to shape the rules is through research contribution, partnering with universities and passing information along to build a solid factual evidence base for good policy. When we openly share our research and participate in these standards, a beautiful thing happens. What one person figures out, everyone gets to keep. Government officials and standards bodies respect this approach. They listen to experts who bring real knowledge to the table, rather than people who show up just to ask for special favors. Openly contributing what you know builds the essential foundation of trust required to sit alongside the architects of the future. But there is a trap here. If you try to draft policies solely to protect your own short-term commercial interests, you will damage your credibility. If you draw maps forcing traffic toward your own oversized building, neighbors stop trusting you. True advocacy looks like this. You fight for an interconnected grid, policies protecting the broader public interest while leaving a workable patch for your garden. The most effective, sustainable business strategy is to authentically align the success of your organization with the welfare of the general public. Visionary leaders do not sit back and wait for AI policy to just happen to them. By stepping up, understanding the landscape, and actively shaping the environment, organizations gain significant influence and a massive strategic advantage. The future of artificial intelligence is still being drafted. Come as you are. There is room at the table. Leadership and AI means a lot of things, but above all, it means having the courage to help write the rules for its future.